Hi, I'm so happy to be home while the sun's still up, winter's ending, and spring is coming. And the thing is, the good thing about spring is you can see some flowers blooming and everything is warmer and not like winter, which is very cold and all those. And as you can see, my hair looks like shit. Looks like I'm depressed or something. I'm stressed out with anything. Yeah, I'm a bit stressed out. But the thing is, yeah, I'm happy with life. I'm happy with how things are going. I'm very positive with everything else. The reason I'm telling you this is that one of my mates back in college took his own life, and it's sad. It's sad. He was depressed. He tried to reach out. So yeah, he took his own life. It's so sad. But the thing is, yeah, to all the people out there who are depressed or not at their best, always remember you have friends around. You have your family, your loved ones. Hell, you can even talk to your dog. I don't have a dog here, but yeah, you could talk to anybody. Just please hold on, because yeah, life is good. Don't waste it. Live your life to the fullest. That's ciao.